Hello everyone, this is Priya Sharma from Prabhat Kids. Welcome to the GK period. In this GK period, we are going to know more about Antarctica. Antarctica is the Earth's southernmost continent, covered with ice in most areas. It is the coldest and driest continent on the Earth and has the highest average elevation. Here are some unique flora and fauna from Antarctica that have adapted to the extreme condition. There are only 2 species of flowering plants on Antarctica. The first one is Antarctica hairgrass. As we see in the picture, Antarctica hairgrass. And second is Antarctica pearlwort. There are around 100 species of mosses, 25 species of liverworts, 300 to 400 species of lichens, and 20 odd species of microfungi of Antarctica. Dominant amongst subantarctic vegetarian in tussock grass, which is up to 2 meters tall. It grows in dense fringes near the coast. Penguins are the most well-known of Antarctica birds, as we all know that penguins are mostly found in Antarctica. So here we'll see different types of penguins. Emperor penguin, king penguin, Adelie penguin, chinstrap penguin, and Gentoo penguin. The whales commonly found in Antarctica are blue sea, humpback, minke, fin, sperm, and killer whales. Here is the picture of sperm whale, blue whale, minke whale. Amongst the 35 species of seals found all over the world, there are 6 species dominantly present in Antarctica. They are Antarctic fur seal, crabeatus seal, leopard seal, Ross seal, Weddell seal, southern elephant seal. This is all about Antarctica. Let us move towards the next chapter, that is medicinal leaves. As we all know, leaves are very important. Many of the leaves are used in the treatment of various diseases. So here are some pictures of the leaves which are useful for the diseases, various diseases. This is the picture of drumstick. Its leaves are helpful in the treatment of bronchitis, cardiac disorder, and asthma. Cinnamon. Its leaves are useful in the treatment of common cold. Keshav. Its leaves are useful in the treatment of toothache. Betel. Its leaves are used to cure worms because it contains polyphenols. Mango leaves. Its leaves are helpful in the treatment of night blindness. Balsam. Its leaves are useful in the treatment of ringworm and eczema. Sesame. Its leaves are useful in the treatment of rheumatic arthritis. Bitter gourd. Its leaves are useful in the treatment of cough and diarrhea. Eucalyptus. Its leaves are useful in treating eczema. Mustard. Its leaves are useful in treating mumps. So this is all about medicinal leaves which are useful for the treatment of various diseases. Thank you.